Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to tell you some tips of learning English. I am so happy you are here today, and today we will talk about something very special, how to speak good English like me. Do you all know that speaking English is very easy if you try? Let me tell you all about the time. When I was 21 years old, I did not speak English well. I was shy and scared to make mistakes. But I learned a simple trick to learn English. English is like music, you need to feel it. One day I met a friend who spoke English very well. I asked him, "How do you speak so well?" He smiled and said, "I listen a lot." From that day onwards, I also started listening to English. I listened to English stories daily, listened to English songs, and listened people to talk in English. I started listening more and more. In my opinion, listening to English is the best way to learn English. When you listen, you learn more. The more you listen, the more you grow. When I listen to stories, I feel like I am inside the story. I imagine the characters, the places, and the feelings. Listening to stories is not just about learning, it is about feelings. Do you like music? Music is very easy way to learn English. When you listen to a song, you learn new words and expressions. We all know that music makes learning fun. The next step of learning English is not be afraid to speak English. And when you try to speak English, the fear that you feel inside you slowly goes away. And whatever mistakes you made in speaking, they also gradually get corrected. So speaking is very good way to learn good English. Do you know that mistakes help you learn? Remember, every time you speak, you get better. I know when we speak English to someone for the first time, we are very scared and our hands shakes. But if we try to speak every day, then one day we will be able to speak good English. And the more you do this, the stronger you will become. So speak every day, talk to friends, talk to yourself, just keep speaking and never give up. Do you know that I started speaking to myself in English? When I was alone, I would think in English and I kept repeating the English sentences again and again. This way, I gradually improved my English because practice makes perfect. But practice should be fun. If you enjoy that you do, you will want to do it more. If you love dancing, watch dancing shows in English. If you love read story, read about them in English. The more you practice speaking English, the better you will become. And soon people will say, "Wow, you speak so well." According to me, learning English is like a journey. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Please always think in English. It can be fun to learn English and try to listen English stories and understand it because I also learned English by doing the same. And I hope you do this, then you too will be able to speak good English because we all know that to learn anything, practice is very important and practice with the only means through which we can do anything. And I want to tell all of you through this video that you should practice every day and speak good English. So please friend, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.